In this video, I'm going to show you how to make decadent cream cheese frosting. This recipe calls for more cream cheese than most recipes, but I have found that the extra cream cheese really helps the frosting hold its shape. This is great to use on any cake, especially carrot, spice, and pumpkin cakes. I've used this frosting to decorate a pumpkin cake, which I've made in another video. I have linked that video below. What you will need is 1 cup of butter at room temperature, 3 8-ounce packages of cream cheese at room temperature cut into small cubes, 3 cups of powdered sugar, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Mix the 1 cup of butter on a low speed with a hand or stand mixer and mix until smooth. Now add a few cubes of cream cheese and mix. Add more of the cream cheese and continue to mix. Add the remainder of the cream cheese and mix until fully combined. Add the vanilla extract and powdered sugar and mix until it has a smooth consistency. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. To get notifications on new videos, hit the bell next to the subscribe button down below.